Hi, to uninstall apps on your Poco X7 Pro, we got two ways. The first one is you can enable your app drawer by swiping up on the home screen. Now find app you wanna uninstall. So for example, I wanna uninstall this game. For that, I'm gonna press and hold it and simply tap this recycle bin icon. And now you can see this pop-up window that we are trying to uninstall this .settle app. So simply confirm that this will remove all app data as well, and then tap this uninstall button, and now it's gone. Another way how you can uninstall apps is by going in settings. Here, find apps section. Then, as we did before, choose app you wanna uninstall. And then on the bottom of the screen, you would see option uninstall. Simply tap it. And here, confirm by tapping blue button. OK. And also, please note that some of the system apps you cannot uninstall, but you can force stop them. For example, we cannot uninstall Gallery, but we can force stop it. For that, tap on three dots. Here, choose to show all apps. And now let's manually find Gallery. And as you can see, we cannot uninstall it. We can just uninstall updates, or we can force stop it. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.